Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data GV. Today we are going to discuss about the complete roadmap to become a data analyst. So before we discuss about the roadmap, you must have a question like what does a data analyst do? How to become a data analyst? How much time it required to become a data analyst? Or who can become the data analyst? So let's discuss those questions in this video. So let's start with the first question, like what does a data analyst do? A data analyst is someone who is responsible to collect the data from the data source and process the data to get the detailed insight of the data from the data get the detailed insight from the data. It include data cleaning, data shaping, data visualization. After that, the second question, like what are the skills requirement for a data analyst? So the data analyst having experience with Microsoft Excel, SQL, data visualization tool like Power BI and Tableau and Python. It's not necessary to have all the experience, but you must have a one or two skill set at least. Now coming to the next question, uh, who can become the data analyst? So any graduate can become the data analyst, any working professional can become the data analyst, or any fresher can become the data analyst. Like no prior coding experience required, so anyone can become a data analyst. So the last question, like how much time it required to become a data analyst? So it's depend on how much keen you are to learn those skill set, but generally it will take 12 weeks, or you can say 3 month time to become a data analyst. So uh, the roadmap, it's like you can start with Microsoft Excel, where you can spend 2 weeks time. Within a 2 weeks you can learn Excel. Then you can move to Microsoft SQL Server. Here you can spend 3 weeks of time, and within a 3 weeks you can learn SQL. And then you can move to data visualization tool, either Power BI or Tableau. You can choose either one accordingly, and spend like 5 weeks of time, and you can learn things easily. And after that you can spend 2 weeks of time in a revision or interview preparation, and by doing those efforts you can become a data analyst. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more video, do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.